Excel is used everywhere, worldwide. And Advanced Excel nowadays is very popular. Advanced Excel gives you multiple functions and formulas which gives you accurate results. Advanced Excel is used for data analysis, data visualization, summarization of your data and whatnot. It gives you a facility which provides forecasting and prediction. It gives you strategic planning, statistical modeling. Advanced Excel is very much beneficial these days. Advanced Excel is used in every sector, be it marketing, finance, HR, operations, retail, whatever may be the sector, Advanced Excel is useful for it. Advanced Excel can code, automate and make systems as well. It interprets data for problem solving. You can create any automation for any system, as I said, for marketing, for HR, for customer relations, anywhere you can use it. When you learn Advanced Excel skills, I'm sure it will give you benefit in your employment as well. I know technology keeps changing all the time. But take it from me, from past 30 years, Excel is very popular, Advanced Excel is very popular these days, and forever Excel and Advanced Excel will be popular like this. Learn Excel, keep practicing Excel. Thank you.